Hello everyone. Welcome to a journey through the dynamic world of Azure Database Services, where rows and columns come together to create powerful databases. Today, we delve into the heart of digital infrastructure, exploring the rich array of features and services that Azure offers. But before you begin with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss an update from us. So, what exactly is Azure Database Services? Imagine having access to a suite of fully managed database solutions tailored to suit each of your application requirements all in one cloud. That's exactly what Azure offers. Azure Database Services is like having your own team of database experts managing everything for you, from infrastructure to backups and patches. It's the ultimate hassle free way to handle your data, allowing you to focus on what really matters, that is, building and optimizing your applications. With offerings like Azure SQL Database, Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Database for PostgreSQL, and Azure Database for MySQL, you have a range of options optimized for different use cases. Azure Database Services offers some amazing features. You need high availability? Check. Automatic scaling? Check. Built-in security? Check. Global distribution? Check. Whatever your application requires, Azure Database Services has got you covered. So whether you're a web app developer, mobile app creator, or enterprise architect, Azure Database Services empowers you to innovate faster, be more agile, and drive digital transformation with ease. And with Microsoft's top-notch security standards, you can rest assured that your data is in safe hands. Now let's explore some important Azure Database Services. Firstly, we have Azure SQL Database, which is a managed cloud database offered as a part of Microsoft Azure's Platform as a Service offering. It provides cloud-based SQL servers with managed database services, including upgrades, patching, backups, and monitoring, all without requiring user involvement. Here we have multiple implementation techniques designed to cater to diverse workload requirements. First is managed instance, which offers a fully isolated environment which closely resembles to on-premises SQL Server instance. It boosts near complete compatibility with SQL Server features, making it the go-to choice for seamless migration of existing applications. Another option is single database. It operates on a dedicated resource allocation model where each database runs independently. With single database, organizations can easily scale resources up or down based on demand, ensuring both optimal performance and cost efficiency. Additionally, we have Elastic Pool. It presents a resource sharing model that enables multiple databases to share a common pool of resources. These offerings within Azure SQL Database provides organizations with the flexibility and scalability needed to effectively manage their databases while ensuring seamless performance and cost effectiveness.